Hey, it's Shannon here. I'm just going to take you briefly through what an energy session is here if you're booking specifically with me at Somatic Body. There are a lot of Reiki sessions and energy sessions online, so I'm just here to tell you what it means when you're booking in specifically with me. So first off, an energetic session, if you're booking at Somatic Body, it is a Reiki session via distance, but it is not just a Reiki session via distance. It includes that. You have your first 30 minutes of the session offline, off call, but you are receiving your Reiki session, your Reiki healing in distance. Then from there, the energetic session continues onto video call. We go through a Reiki debrief, talk about everything we've seen, everything that's come up, see what lands and resonates for you. We then also go through a card reading or an energetic reading of what we feel is happening for you in your world at that point in time. And then I also finish things off nicely with a personalized PDF that goes through a summary of your Reiki debrief. It goes through each chakra through the reading, as well as any themes and things that have presented for you throughout the energetic session. That's also summarized in the PDF. And then I also combine other aspects that really, I guess, bring in my essence, because it's not just Reiki training that I've done. I also have done clinical practice and worked as a myotherapist, a remedial massage therapist. I've been a chiropractic student for 4.5 years. I also have done somatic embodiment training. So I then bring in practices into that personalized PDF that I feel are most suited to you at that point in time and could benefit you. Most of them are somatic embodiment practices, videos, audio recordings, for example. But essentially, I'm going to give you some resources and recommendations at the end of that PDF that I feel work for you at that point in time. So if you're thinking of doing an energetic session or you're wondering which one's best suited for you, I would say the energetic session is better suited if right now you're just feeling really unclear, really stagnant in your life and really unsure of where to move, feeling a little dissociated, not just from your body, but also more mentally and energetically, right? Because it's an energetic session. And I would say that that is where it distinguishes from the somatic womb session. The somatic womb session is very much more to do with feeling dissociated from your body, feeling a disconnect from your physical body, as well as your womb space, your femininity. Energetic sessions are a little more general. We're going with the general energetic reading and giving you some clarity for yourself, things for you to resonate with and pick apart what aligns for you right now and what doesn't align for you right now. So I would say if that's more where you're feeling you're at and you're feeling a little more, say, foggy in the mind or emotionally stagnant or energetically stagnant, that the energy session is best suited over the womb horror session. And if you feel like the femininity and that essence of your womanhood is lacking and you want to connect more to that, then pop over and do the womb session instead. Either way, I hope to see you soon.